What's up, everybody? I'm back with a semi-tool video. If you work out and you have big guns, which I can't really show you because I have this sweatshirt on, then you would consider exercise equipment a tool. Just like this cage, I've kind of showed you guys this before on Amazon. It was on sale maybe a month or so ago. Showed you that. So yes, I don't know how to say this. I'm going to call it Yesoul, right? Kanye West been in the news. We're going to call it Yesoul. Yesoul by Yesoul sent me this. This is their new G1 Max that has like a 30-something inch screen. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to put it together, talk about how easy it was to put together, and then I'm going to use it for a week. And then I'm going to give you guys my initial impressions. And the plan is to also get a Peloton to compare this thing side by side with, to let you know, is the Peloton worth double the money of this, or are you better off with the Yesoul? So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so already I wanted to report. I've been seeing this ad of this lady. She's like, "Yay, Yesoul, send me this thing." And she like pulls the box up and it's like this already assembled bike. That ain't how it's working out for me, champ. I got stuff to put together. This thing is very much disassembled. Can't even tell what's going on. I don't know how she just was lifted it up and it was already done. So I just want to let you guys know that's not the case. All right, you guys, so yes, definitely not an assembled bike. This is what I have going on here. And if you notice, there's something missing. No screen. There's nothing left in that box. There's no 32-inch screen. It's supposed to come with a 32-inch screen, and I don't have that. So I just sent them an email to see where it is. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put this together and let you guys know what comes of that. Now, another thing that's interesting, but it's possible it still be here, but I'm just missing it. I don't see any instructions. Now, I don't imagine that this would be too difficult, but there should be instructions. So I don't see that either. But again, they could be here and I'm just not seeing it right now, but I will let you guys know about that as well. All right, here's the bike. It's all done. And whoop, there we go. We also have the screen. So just a heads up, the screen, which is huge, by the way, as you can see, it looks bigger than the bike from this angle, but it's not bigger than the bike, but it's actually pretty close. The screen comes separately shipped than the bike itself. So you may receive the screen first, and then 2 days later, you may receive the bike, or a day or so. In my case, I got the bike first, and then I got the screen 2 days later. So don't panic. It'll come. Just give it a couple days. I've used it already. So far, so good. I'm going to use it for the next week. And then I will let you guys know what I think about it. All right, so here's the Yesoul app. When you first sign in, you have your personalized program. It gives you your week streak. How many weeks you've been working out. I have been slacking because I've been busy, but then you have different challenges here, and I'm unlocked. So I have a membership now, but some of these things are free. So if you go to Scenic Ride, it'll show you some things that are free. You have a free 20-minute ride there. Winter Forest, that costs money. I think all those cost as well. This one's free in Canada. Then you have just different workouts, and it's pretty good. You also have your classes, and you can do yoga. You could also do strength classes as well. I was actually looking for this and couldn't find it, but find it now live. So let me go ahead and start the strength one, and I'm going to take it to the screen so you can see what that looks like. But before we get to that, I wanted to tell you guys that you can also control the cell phone acts as a controller as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start, and now it's going to show up on the screen, but you can pause, you can change the volume. Now you can change your, have subtitles, you can have them off on English, Spanish. I don't know the other ones. I know Dutch. I don't know this other one though. And then you can change the clarity. It's automatically on auto. Let's back up out of there. You can tell them why you're trying to exit. And then give you some other classes you can take, stretching, cardio. So pretty comprehensive. I'll tell you guys, just that beginner's ride, man, that thing is rough. I didn't get to the beginner's whole thing. It was hard. I'm out of shape. Uh, but now let's take it to the actual screen. I want to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I'll turn down the volume, but I want to take your attention to the bottom of the screen. So you have your calories, I don't know what KJ is, but then you have your miles, it's your distance. Then you have your RPM, the output, and then your resistance. So the resistance is going to tell you how hard it is to pedal. Now, you'll notice all my stuff is on 0. And that's the problem. See, I'm pedaling and it's not showing anything. It worked at first, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong or if I'm doing anything wrong, but it's not working now. Wait, I just had an idea. Well, let's see if this works. No. They have an app where you can mirror your phone. So that's what I'm doing. That's what you see on the screen is actually what I'm filming, but it's still not working in the upper left-hand corner, as you can see, and I'm pedaling. So far, that is the only issue I've had with the bike. Now, with this, you can mirror and download different things and different exercises and workouts, or just play something from YouTube, and you can ride with that, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to reach out to them and see, I'm getting tired, and see why my stuff isn't working. But other than that, the bike has been excellent. I'm going to go ahead and step down now and show you guys around it. All right, so the power button is right underneath here. Go ahead, hit that, turns off the screen. And here's the bike. It doesn't take up a lot of space at all. I've seen videos of people outside by their pool with it. And I mean, of course you can do that, but it's not going to have any power unless you have an outlet. It's not like this is battery operated. You can charge it and take it outside or anything, which I don't know if the Pelotons do that, because theirs seem to be more like a tablet and they have a webcam and everything like that. This does not have a webcam. It's just a big 32-inch TV screen. So yeah, here it is, very small footprint. You do not need special bike shoes for this. You can use regular sneakers to use it. You have your adjustments here. You adjust your height, obviously adjust the seat moving forward or backwards, handlebar height. You can even adjust the TV, so the TV also spins around. And you can turn out this way when you do the other strength training exercises or yoga or stretching or anything like that, so you can see it and, be out in your space. Now, other than it not showing the cadence and everything like that, I have one more gripe, but this is specific to me. I don't like the seat. But I don't like any seat that comes on any bike. So that's me. And this one seems like it's a little crooked. You see that? See how it's kind of off center a little bit? It's more to the right, really. I know it looks like left, but facing this way is more to the right. And I can't seem to fix or adjust that. Regardless if I could, I just don't feel like the seat is comfortable. But again, that's every single bicycle I've ever had. I don't like the seats. I got to change the seats to something wider and more plush. So other than that, yeah, it's smooth. It's quiet. Sometimes there's like a little knock sound when I pedal. Let's see if it'll do it now. I've been trying to pinpoint why it does that. So let's see. There you go. You hear it? But that could be due to it being plugged in because the motor and the magnets are all on. When I first got it, it didn't do anything like that. It was just when I plugged it in and started working with all the electronics and all that, then it started doing that sometimes. Then it could be dependent upon the resistance. But because the screen isn't working, as far as reading the resistance, I can't tell what it's on or why it's doing that. So if I turn it down, no, it's still not doing it, but it is making a different kind of noise. So let's unplug it and see. See? Well, no, it's not making a noise anymore. Well, a couple quirks. Those are my only two quirks about it. Do I feel like it's worth the $699 compared to those $1,500 Pelotons? Absolutely. Those two little gripes don't bother me. The fact that it doesn't, because a lot of times you can just take these stats and stuff off the screen. So I just have them up because I like to look at them. I'm data driven like that, but you know, that's optional. So maybe what I'll do is just take it off and then put it back on and see if it works. But I am going to reach out to them and see what they say. But I totally feel like this is worth it compared to all the other ones out there. The only thing that this one doesn't have, like I said over the other ones, the Peloton, is the webcam. But honestly, for the price, you can't beat it. I can tell you one thing that this does not do that the high-end Peloton does, that one that's $2,500. Like when you're doing your runs, if the instructor wants you to increase the resistance on the Peloton, the high-end version, not the $1,500 one, the $1,500 one won't do this. When they increase the resistance increases on your bike as well, automatically. So I did expect this to do that. I thought these special types of bikes, I thought all of them did it. I didn't know that you had to pay even more money to get that feature. So like when you're riding through France or whatever, and you're going up a grade, it would automatically increase. This one doesn't do that. But again, it's also $699. So I do wonder if there's some type of update that they can do, because when you turn it on, it will update itself. So it's possible, like, I kind of keep mine unplugged because the light stays on. So maybe if I plug it up and just leave it on for a little while, it might update, and, you know, my little resistance problem, my data problem might be solved. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video. They did send this to me for free. Thank you. It's pronounced Yesoul. I was calling it Yesoul. I've heard people call it Yesoul. No, it's Yesoul. That's what they say on the app and the trainers. It's Yesoul, which kind of makes sense. Yes to your soul. But yeah, they did send me this. I appreciate it. Still, this is very unbiased because, again, I'm showing you guys the little quirks. But considering every other bike that I've seen and researched, the Echelons, the Peloton, and it was some other brand too that I don't even think is in business anymore, because like their website's like fishing rods or fishing lines now. This was the cheapest, and it had the smallest footprint. You didn't need the special shoes, and it came with a super big screen, which, you know, I like all of it. And it doesn't just come out that way. I wanted to show you guys this too. It goes 360 degrees. It'll go all the way around. So see, for me, I have my cage right there, so having it straight out wouldn't work. But boom, this is perfect right here at that angle. So yeah, I love this thing. This is a great birthday present to me. It came like a few days before my birthday. Thank you, Yesoul. So anyway, the link will be in the description. When this thing goes on sale, I'll let you guys know. It's $699 right now. I think you can get it for $649. You use my link in the description, they'll give you an additional 10% off, I believe. So definitely use that link. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'll try to answer them immediately. If the video's getting old, I might not be able to get to the questions, but still ask them. I'll let you guys know how durable it is, how it holds up over time. You guys know I keep it 100% honest with you guys. And that's it. Hopefully this is helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.